Percentages, we're going to be calculating a percentage of the quantity. Hit pause, let's get lesson objective down, keywords. Once you've done that, hit play and we'll move on to the starter. Okay, so here's your starter, hit pause, have a go at all questions. Once you've done that, hit play and we'll go through them. Okay, so for 1a, we've got 20 divided by 10. Remember, when we're dividing by 10, we're moving that decimal point back 1. So 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. 350 divided by 10, you should have 35. 840 divided by 100, moving that decimal point 2 places to there, so that will be 8.4. Dividing by 100, decimal point goes back 2, so we got 2.4. Put an arrow there. Divide by 10, decimal point only moves once, 72. And divide by 100. Now we've got to be careful here. Decimal point's on the end because we can't see it, so it goes 1, 2, goes in front of the 55, so it'd be 0.55. If we're going to find 50%, we're going to halve it, so we can simply divide by 2. 50% of 30 is 15, half of 15. Half of 90 is 45. Half of 160 is 80. Half of 54, I can't do that one in my head, so I'm going to use my bus shelter. 54 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5. 2 times, remainder 1, and into 14, 7 times, so 27. Half of 18, 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 19 divided by 2, I think I'll have a remainder. Let's just check. 19 divided by 2, can't go into 1, so carry the 1 into 19, it's 9 times, remainder 1. And remember, we write that as 9 and a half. So that's going to be 9 and a half. Question 3. All prices are reduced by 50% in this sale. How much is the reduction on each item? So if we reduce that by 50%, we drop the price by half. So it's going to be reduced by 460 divided by 2, which is 230. 26 is going to be reduced by 2 as well, so half of 26 is 13. And 184, I'm going to use bus shelter for 184. Divided by 2, 2 goes into, well, 2 can't go into 1, carry 1, into 18, 9 times, and into 4, 2 times, so 92 pounds. Okay, good. What I want you to do now is, as always, rag rate your work. Once you've done that and made a comment, hit play and we shall move forward. Okay, so we're going to be finding percentages. We're going to start by finding 10%. It's a very important one for us to find. And if you recall, to find 10%, you simply divide by 100, because 10% means 10 out of 100, which simplifies to a tenth. So we're finding a tenth, which means we divide by 10. Okay, so to find 10% of 32, I'm going to do 32 divided by 10. Let's just write it in here. Oops. Let's get a red pen. I've got a green pen at the moment. So I'll do 32 divided by 10, and that will give me 3.2. That's my answer. Okay, £3.20. Let's look at the next question. 10% of 456 is going to be 456 divided by 10, which is, remember what we said, if we're dividing by 10, move the decimal point back one, be 45.6. These are pounds here, and this is in kilograms. Okay, 45.6. Hit pause. Let's get these two examples in your book, example 1 and example 2. Once you've done that, write classwork, and I've got a couple of questions for you to attempt. Okay, so you got a bit of classwork in your books. Make sure you write classwork. And this is what I want to see for question 1. You say find 10% of 54. So you do 54 divided by 10, which is 5.4 or £5.40. Okay, good. So hit pause. Copy question 1 down. Attempt all 12 questions. When you've done that, hit play and we'll go through the answers. Right, let's go through these answers then. Question 1, we've done that one already. It's £5.40. Question 2, £67.50. Question 3 is 350. Question 4 is 0.27 pounds or 27p. Question 5 is 7.3 meters. Question 6, 42.5 millimeters. Question 7 is 745. Question 8 is going to be a strange one. It's 0.843 liters. Question 9, 456 kilograms. Question 10. Remember, we've got the decimal point is here. So if we're dividing by 10, it moves one place to the left. So you get 0.97 grams. Question 11, 8.3 centimeters. And then question 4, it gives you 0.04 pounds or 4 pence. Okay. So what I need you to do now with this, as always, hashtag rag 1, 2, 3. Okay. Once you've done that, hit play, and we'll look at finding 1% next. Okay. 1% means 1 out of 100, so to find 1% we divide by 100. Okay, so to find 1% of 300, I'm going to find 300 divided by 1. If I just get my red pen back, still got the green from rag rating. So I do 300 divided by 100, which is going to be, move the decimal point back 2 places, so that's 3 or 3 pounds. And question 2, or example 2 rather, 1% of 250 kilograms is going to be 250 divided by 100, which is equal to 2.5 kilograms. Decimal point, remember, divided by 100 moves back 2 places. Okay, so what I want you to do is hit pause, copy these 2 examples down. Once you've done that, hit play, and I've got a couple of questions for you. Right, so your exercise for today. Start at question number 5, finding 10%, and then on to 6, and turn the page. You've only got to go up to question 13. I shall put the classwork in the assignment, so good luck.